expansion. We are Oromo. Demand self-determination. Justice for Oromo people. Ethiopian regime. Security forces. Stop killing. Agazi. Stop killing. Ethiopian regime. Security forces. Stop killing. Ethiopian regime. Security forces. Stop killing. Agazi. Stop killing. Agazi. Stop killing. Federal police. Stop killing. Federal police. Stop murdering. Federal police. Stop torturing. No.
No master plan.
No.
People expansion.
No. Master plan.
The master plan is
Oromo. Terrorists.
terrorists.
We
Innocent. Never. Stand to fight for right, for justice, for democracy. We never stand. Our
Fiction.
The massacre.
Innocent. We
stand
for right.
Stand
Fight.
Norway.
Stop helping. Stop supporting. Stop. Stop.
Norway.
Norway.
What are you doing?
What are we? What are we? What are we?
Innocent people.
Innocent people.
Killing. Innocent people.
Innocent people.
Massacring.
We're dying.
dying.
Thousands of the students.
Thousands of students
Arrested.
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 We are Oromo.
We are Oromo.
Innocent.
Innocent.
We demand.
We demand
The liberty.
liberty.
We demand.
We demand
right.
right.
We demand
The
freedom.
freedom.
We demand self-determination.
Self-determination.
TPLF.
TPLF.
TPLF. Listen to us.
Listen to us.
Oromo.
Oromo.
We will never.
We will never.
We will never.
We will never.
Resist
stand.
Your pardon.
Your pardon.
We will never.
We never.
Stand. Your pardon. We will never. We cannot tolerate.
We cannot tolerate
The killing.
torturing
The victim of our farmers.
the victim of a farmer.
TPLF. TPLF. TPLF.
TPLF.
Stop
Stop
killing
killing
innocent.
innocent.
Ethiopia.
TPLF. Stop financing, helping the dictator regime.
Ethiopia.
Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free.
We need self-determination.
We need self-determination.
Self-determination for the Oromo people in Ethiopia.
Self-determination of Oromo people in Ethiopia.
Justice.
Justice.
Self-determination.
Self-determination.
Freedom.
Freedom.
For Oromo people.
For Oromo people.
No killing.
No killing.
Killing innocent student is illegal. It is unacceptable. Student.
Master plan
is not
for development.
for development.
It is
not
for development.
for development.
It is to cleanse
cleanse
innocent
Oromo
people.
people.
Addis Ababa
Master plan
will never develop Oromo people.
Oromo people.
Rather killing Oromo people. Rather massacring Oromo people. Rather cleansing Oromo people. We will never resist. We will never tolerate TPLF. Here we will never
We will never
resist. stand.
TPLF is killing our civilians, students, our farmers, our mothers, on our motherland. Oromia shall be free. Down with
TPLF. 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 Stop killing innocent Oromo student. TPLF. Stop killing innocent Oromo student. TPLF. Stop arbitrary arrest Oromo student. No peace while innocent are killed. TPLF. Stop Finfinne land grab. TPLF. Stop Finfinne land grab. Stop killing innocent Oromo people. TPLF. Stop displacing Oromo farmer. TPLF. Stop jailing Oromos. TPLF. Stop jailing Oromos. TPLF. Stop jailing Oromos. TPLF must indeed the torturing of Oromos. Ethiopian regime, stop killing Oromo students. Ethiopian regime, stop murdering Oromo students. Ethiopian regime, stop torturing Oromo students. Agazi, stop torturing. Agazi, stop torturing Oromo students. Killing Oromos, torturing Oromos, arresting Oromos, murdering Oromos. Will never stop. The Oromo struggle for freedom, self-determination for Oromo people, self-determination for Oromo people. Norway, stop supporting the dictator Ethiopian regime. Norway, stop using our tax money to support the dictatorship. Justice